In the heart of Silicon Valley, building a robot is just the beginning. This is Fremont High Robotics, Team 3501, the Firebots, a community in the Fremont Union High School District, where students become engineers and ideas form a family.
Back up. Go shoot. Good work. That's a good cycle.
I'm Sohini, and I'm a mentor for the Firebots. Our mission is to help all students learn and grow through hands-on STEM experiences. And providing these students with professional-grade gear is a game changer. It allows students to stretch their innovation capabilities and not be limited by the equipment they have. With ASUS's sponsorship, we get the power to remove hardware barriers, allowing a huge jump in student productivity so that their ideas can now flow freely. The hardware is no longer a bottleneck for their creativity.
My name is Anton, and I'm the design and strategy lead of Team 3501, the Firebots. In this role, I'm responsible for overseeing both our strategic approach to the game and the full design of the robot. We use the CAD software Onshape for all our design work, and that requires a lot of computing power and a large screen to see all the nooks and crannies of the robot. During competition, we scout other teams to understand their capabilities in depth. Viewing all this data on a large screen makes it easier to draw insights that helps us optimize our match-to-match strategy and choose teams to play with if we're in the playoffs.
I'm Sophia, and I'm a member of the Design and Community Impact Sub-teams for the Firebots. When we create anything, the first step is designing it. The process of CAD is kind of like dance, taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back through lots of iterations. When multiple members are doing that dance at the same time on Onshape, lag time can be a big problem. The ASUS TUF F16 laptops have enabled me to 3Dify parts without waiting for a simple change to save. It's handled the tens and thousands of sketches and features that we throw into a document without skipping a beat.
Hi, I'm Akil, and in FRC, the gap between the CAD model and the finished mechanism is measured in tons of machining hours. My job is to shrink that gap. With these new ASUS TUF F16 laptops, we're finally able to speed up a huge load of our fabrication processes. Previously, generating these 3D adaptives or intricate pocketing on panels would lag or even crash on the existing hardware we use. But now we're doing all of that in seconds, not having to worry about losing any progress.
My name is Sid, and as a member of the Firebots, I'm on the software sub-team, and I'm a member of our competition pit crew. Just like in a Formula 1 race, before we even step on the field, the pit crew has to make sure that our robot is completely ready to go. The ASUS TUF F16 Speed allows us to run multiple programs in parallel to configure and troubleshoot motors, view logs, and more, allowing us to be very well prepared for each match. The F16 is an indispensable tool for the software team's efforts as our team's driver station laptop. Any lagging, freezing, or loss of charge could disable our robot, and the F16's performance and reliability allows us to focus on the robot without worrying about our ability to stay in the game.
From the classroom to the arena, ASUS is proud to stand behind the Firebots. With the power of TUF Gaming, there's no limit to the future they can ignite. To learn more, contact us at b4b@asus.com.